lumampas na yung VU mo ng PBs, pero hindi siya lalampas ng 3 PBs, you're going to compute 3 spacings, which is yung mga diniscuss natin kanina. Ito yung una, S cos 3 B and point PB over BS. Pangalawa, PPP tayo dito, kung case 2 or case 3, ba? And then yung pangatlo, guys, is compute mo ito, S max 1 and S max 2. Okay. Then, again, sabi dito, pick the smallest digit. So that's for your case 2 and case 3. And then yung case 4 natin, last, kapag kalumpas yung disarview mo sa 5 PBs, you need to redesign your beam dimensions. So, yung pinakamadaling pinakamadaling case. So, obviously, case 0 and case 4. Kasi by case 0, no scale-ups required. Tapos kay case 4, redesign. So, wala kang kailangan solve actually. Okay? That's it. Ito yung pinaka-overview. Anyway,